Hello guys, welcome to We Fix Technology. Today I will be showing you a demonstration of a e-commerce website which will have a website, an option of an application which work fine on Android mobile phone, and an admin panel, and one going to be a seller panel. So this could be a great project for almost all type of business. Does not matter what you are selling. If you are into e-commerce business, whether you are selling groceries, maybe pharmaceutical things, any e-commerce store, could be a furniture store, anything, whatever you consider. If you wanted to sell online, this could be a great deal for all of you. Any business owner, any startup can buy this script from us and we can install it and make it happen for you. So let's explore the website first, then I'll take you to the admin panel. Then we're going to go to the seller panel. So I'm on the main website. If you see, it is an eye-catching website, looks great, feels great, does the job very effectively. At the same time, I can show you the mobile phone version. If we see that, it gives us the experience like an application. However, there's a dedicated app which is an add-on optional thing which you may or may not consider. But if you buy just the website, it does the job very effectively. So it feels like an application. If you see, there are certain categories. If I click on fruits, it shows all the fruits, vegetables, and whatnot. I'm going to go ahead, click on something, and let's click on add to cart. You can choose the quantity. Let me add to cart. Let's refresh the page here on the main computer screen for a better visualization. Now you can control these banners. You have categories. Click on categories. It does filter the data. I'm going to click on a product, add to cart. Now I have search option as well. If I search something, it'll show the result, possible result accordingly. I did not put anything which is in there, but if you put anything which has the product, it'll show the result. Like, let me try something. Okay. See that rock cleaner? This is how it works. It matches the name with the product. Click on it, add to cart, select the quantity. And now our cart has 3 products. Let's show you the website from the home page, the categories banner, the search option, cart page, featured product, featured items, most reviewed items, and all items, and everything is there. Now, the good part of this website, it is going to be a multi store option. I mean, it's not a multi-vendor, it is a multi-store optional. That means one business could have separate branches. So you can add multiple branches. Those branches could have employees. They can manage the orders. Anyway, let's go ahead. I added few of the items in the cart. I'm going to click on the cart option. Now you see there is an option whether you want it to home delivery or self pickup. Client can choose accordingly. So it has both the options which you can enable, disable. I'm going to choose the home delivery. It has the option of apply promo code, checkout. Even it has the option of guest checkout. It wanted to allow the location, so it can calculate the distance between the spot of the customer to our store. I did allow the location. Now it has option what branch you wanted to order. You can add your address. Let me add an address. I'm going to search our company name on Google Map, We Fix Technology. It fetches the coordinates and I can add something, anything, and the contact person and the phone number, and saved. So one user could save multiple address. One could be home, one could be office or anything. Now last, it has the option when do you want to have your delivery. So you can control from admin panel whether today, tomorrow. You can control the slots as well. Let me pick any slot. And payment gateway, yes, it has the option of payment gateways and cash on delivery, also a wallet system inside the website. Now it has a bunch of payment gateways for international clients. It has Stripe, and for local Indian clients, it has Razorpay, PayPal, SSL Commerce, and pay offline is nothing. It's almost a cash on delivery. So I'm going to consider cash on delivery for this order, select, and just place the order. That's pretty much it. Now I heard a pop-up. Hey, your order has been placed. And that's pretty much it. Super simple, straightforward. I did place my order. It shows the status. It's pending. Now admin has to approve it. That was the website of the customer side. Now on admin side, let me check. This is admin panel. From admin panel, we can consider all the orders. You can see the order. That's the latest order which I just placed. Let me see, how do I scroll here? Let me scroll a bit. I'm going to click on it and it shows the location if I wanted to see, and I can print the invoice. It has the option what all I did order, and I can change the status, confirmed, yes. The payment status is still unpaid, and I can assign the delivery guy. It has the date and the time. I can change it if I wish to. It has the branch location and all the details. I can assign the delivery guy. Then I pick any one of them and assign. It's a demo version. It might not assign, but just to get you an idea, customer went to the website, did place the order, and got the notification. Admin did get the details and change the order status and assign the delivery guy accordingly. Once the delivery guy has been assigned, he will receive a notification on delivery guy application. He accepts the order and deliver the order. This is how it's gonna work. So now let me show you the admin panel part. The website is done. In admin panel, the first thing is dashboard. You can see the what's going on in the business, the pending orders, confirmed order, packed, out of delivery, and what's going on today, sale, this month, this week, and whatnot. Everything is here. The good part is that it has POS, point of sale. So if the customer shows up to your store, you don't have to purchase an extra software. It's like you go to a local grocery store. They have a computer system. That's what they call POS, point of sale. So all they got to do, they can ask, what do you want? They have all the products here. They can add whatever they want customer, and they can walk in customer. Either if it's an existing customer, they can choose it, else they can add new customer instantly. This is how the order shall be placed. So this could be a great tool for in-house customers if somebody comes to the store. So you can choose takeaway or home delivery. And again, this is how the flow gonna go through. You can manage the orders. You see order according to all branches, main branch or whatever branch. You can create your branches, and you can see the orders on the date specific and stuff like this. Search the orders too on the basis of, even you can export the data as a CSV. That is an option as well. Then we have verify offline payment option. I'm not going to explore this one right now. Then orders. You can see all the orders. You can see pending orders, confirmed orders. Technically, we are filtering the data on the ordered tag, whether it's been finished, it's packaged, packed, out of delivery, delivered, returned, failed, or canceled, whatever. So that's a good chance you can filter the data. Now you can have a categories. Within categories, the admin can create categories like fruits, vegetables, and subcategories and subcategories or whatever. Then subcategories options. So it does not matter. You can add grocery items category, maybe garments, maybe furniture, maybe pharmaceutical, anything. Create your own category and make it happen. Even the subcategories. Now, the product could have attributions, like you can create your own. It could be size, maybe shape, maybe color. For demo purpose, I just added sizes. Size could be like, if I say a small, large, medium, 1 kilogram, 2 kilograms, 500 grams, you can add unlimited attributions of yours. So size, then we can have a color, we can have flavors, whatever makes sense. Then we have product list, all the product which are added. Then you can make the product featured or blah, 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 search the product, edit or change. Even there's an option of you can upload the products in bulk. If you have more products, there's a format of CSV. You can download it from here and upload it. You can export the products too, and the stock option is there. So almost everything is here. You can create your products accordingly. If you click on add new product, from here you can add a new product, title, description, category, unit, how minimum quantity order, maximum quantity order, and images, and everything is here. So you could have your product listed, like one product could be an apple box, an apple, and it has two sizes, 1 kilograms or half kilograms, or maybe it's a t-shirt, it is in four sizes, maybe more sizes like colors and stuff like that. That could be done as well. You can apply taxes and discounts and so forth. Let's check the banner part. The website shows a banner on the home page. If you see here, these are the banners, the deals or whatever. Now you can control from the banner section, add your own banner, and you can change it from here. Coupon option, you can create the sales coupon, put the discount on amount or percentage, and there are so many options. You can even set the expiration of the coupon. Notification, you can give a push notification, like you may have seen Amazon or any website shoots the pop-up to the app users or web users. You can send these notification as well, like sales today 25% off or anything. Flash sale, which says something on the home page. You can have your own flash sales item. You can give a discount on a category specific, that is there as well. And a message option, you can have a chatting with your customers or employees. Sales report, you can see the reports of sales, what's going on in the business, which product has been sold most, and so forth. Order report, earning report, similar. Then you can see customer list. They're all customers. You can search the customer, enable, disable, or check their profile. If I click on this customer, that's my profile, just made it. It has my details. You can see the order as well. The order I just placed, I can print the invoice and so forth. Then after that, we have customer wallet. Yes, customer would have the option of adding wallet balance as well. They can add it and they can pay from the wallet as well. You can see the report and bonuses. Even you can give the bonus on the wallet, like if you add 100, you will get 5% extra amount or something like this. Then we would have product reviews option. Customers could give the reviews, and admin has the control whether they have to publish or unpublish the review. Then you can see delivery mans. There are a whole ton of options. I'm skipping some of them, just showing you the main just to have a glimpse. Then you can see delivery man list. You can create the delivery man. You can edit any and enable or disable. You can add delivery man. You can see name, email, phone number, which branch the delivery guy is associated to. You can upload their identity card, maybe driving license or anything, and create password. You can manage the drivers as well from here. You can manage employees. You can have create new employees, whether it's a cashier or manager or anything. And if I come on the business setup, change the website name, country, time zone, phone number, email, address, currency, logo. Then we have option of set up main branch, branch address, phone number, location, latitude, longitude, and for how much coverage we want to sell our products. This could be important. Let's say if we wanted to sell our products only 10 kilometers from our radius, so we can control from here. We can create our delivery time slots, 9 to 6, 10 to 12, anything, whatever makes sense to you. 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 2, 4 to 6. Create your own slots. You can set up the delivery fee. That's an optional thing, default charge or delivery by distance, or maybe a free delivery minimum charge amount or something like this. You can have this product setup. You can add minimum purchase or maximum purchase cookies, a pop-up banner, and OTP login option is there as well. Customers, whether they have supposed to have wallet or not, loyalty points or not, referring balance or not, ad fund enable or disable not, and stuff like this. Then the order option, maximum amount of COD enable, disable, and stuff like this. Then the branch option, you can add new branches, and everything is here. You can check the list of branch, enable, disable anytime. Then we can have a payment gateways option from here. There are multiple payment gateways like cash on delivery, enable, disable, PayPal, Razorpay, Stripe, and few more. Push notification, we can have push notification option, and it's a dynamic value. We can set up when somebody places an order, what pop-up they're going to shoot, order confirmation, what pop-up they're going to shoot, and so forth. Even you can manage the pages, about page, terms and condition page content, privacy policy, and so forth, FAQ page content, cancellation policies, refund policy, return policy, whatever policies are there, put it, change anytime. Social media login, oh yes, customers can log in with Gmail or Facebook, but this one social media is like your Facebook page, Instagram page, and LinkedIn page. In system setup, we can see language, which is in most cases, English is the language we're going to use. You can handle app settings, app download URL. If you purchase the bundle package with application, then you can put your Google Play URL link. So if they on website, they can download the app as well. Firebase configuration for push notifications. And that's pretty much it. So overall, this is a complete solution for e-commerce business, no matter what you are selling. If you want to sell any product online, this script, this technology going to help you out. Now, we will move to the branch panel. The branch will have its own panel too. So let's go ahead. Now see, this is the branch panel. Branch can see their orders only, their employees, how many orders they got, and their statistic, like their pending orders and confirmed order. And that's pretty much it. Branch can add their products, and they could have pending products and pending orders and everything. So technically, branch will have its own infrastructure. Branch can create new order as well. Like if somebody visited physically, they can create POS and have their orders too. So this is pretty much it. That was a complete glimpse of an e-commerce website, which has a website, an application, plus a branch. A branch has a panel, customer has a login system, and customer delivery guy has a login app, so he could log in into the application and accept the orders and manage the orders. So this is pretty much it. Guys, if you need something like this, feel free comment below in the description. I'm going to add the feature list and our contact details. Call us for more or WhatsApp us. Thank you for your time. Have a good one. Cheers. Bye for now.